Welcome to the makeover of our chicken coop. It's quite old and hasn't been cleaned for a couple of years. We want to buy chickens, so we figured we had to do something about it. You'll see the old nesting boxes from the previous owners who had lots of birds and doves. I removed the ties from the branches to recycle it separately. I tried to remove a layer from the ground. We removed the unnecessary wooden frameworks and table. This is a few years worth of dust and grime. When the chicken coop was empty, my husband pressure washed it. We put wood chips on the floor and made this tiny coop door to connect the chicken coop to the run. This leads to the run that we made ourselves, but first let's check out the chickens. They almost immediately went for food and water, but it took them a while to discover the coop door. If they hear us approaching, they immediately come straight to the fence. They love to eat food scraps. Strawberry and apple are some favorites. We make sure they have an abundance of food and fresh water every day. We get about 7 eggs a day and we love to eat them in all different ways. What's your favorite way to eat eggs? This is the first time we're having chickens. Do you have any tips? Please let us know. Thanks for watching!